Yeah, feel it. Guys, hey, how are you? Tom Pulice here, Las Vegas Aesthetics. What you're looking at here is a live hair restoration treatment with PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma. Very, very exciting development in the world of aesthetics. It's been used in many, many disciplines of medicine for decades. But in the world of aesthetics, absolutely profound. Love it, love it, love it to death. What you're looking at in that syringe is actually plasma. It's blood without the red blood cells in it, and we're re-injecting it back into the scalp. It's the patient's own blood. It is 100% safe. It's extremely effective. It is just the best way to revolumize hair for men and women. So prior to the start of the procedure, we anesthetize the scalp in a very specific way that the patient has no pain throughout the whole procedure. That's the PPP now? Mm-hmm. This procedure took place in Florida. I got the invitation from Dr. Bauman, probably the leading hair restoration surgeon in the country. So I got the invite and went down there. Absolutely fabulous trip.
We're good at getting the scalp.
Shared notes back and forth. It was just a great experience.
That's the key, because if you're
what you're looking at here, after you inject the plasma, after the plasma is injected, microneedling takes place. And that is to actually disrupt the skin and cause intentional trauma. And you guys know I've been doing a lot of microneedling on the faces, and it has the same types of results: increased collagen and elastin and just rejuvenation. Same type of thing here. It kicks in the PRP and it activates it. And the coolest thing about this, the most significant aspect, is it is 100% safe. It's extremely effective for men and women, which is fabulous. Here I am on the screen here and doing the needling. I was injecting before. But this approach is multifaceted. It's not just one aspect. You can't just take vitamins. You can't just do PRP. There's the light therapy with the laser cap. There's supplements. Definitely the PRP is fabulous. There's drops, topical drops that you should be employing as well. All of these, we can do all of this through the practice. To the best of my knowledge, no one in town is doing this the way that we are doing it. It's just a complete, comprehensive approach to hair loss.